guys, it's Miss Cat at 6000. Okay, and today this is Cooking with the Cats. This episode we will be making brownies. Yeah. Okay. So the first thing you will need is I'll be right back. Don't you just always have the time where you're like, wait, what was it again? Oh, by the way, forgot to mention this, but preheat your oven to 350. So I will come back with all the ingredients. I'm back. So what you will need is a big, giant mixing bowl like this. Then you will need 2/3 of oil. By the way, if my preheating was up, that happens, just turn it off. Yeah. Or just keep doing. So I will keep going. Because yeah. So I will put my 2 quarters. 2 3/4. Yeah. You know what it is. Yeah. You heard me say it. With my oil. So I'm just gonna, by the way, we don't have that, just like 2/3. So we don't have 2/3. I have this 1/3. Yeah, that would work. Remember, always pour it over the bowl because you don't want to like accidentally like get it out. So always pour it over the bowl. Then leave it to this side because you may have need it for water. So what you need is 1/4 of water. And lucky for me, I have 1/4. So I'm gonna go get that. Got the 1/4. Now I'm gonna put it in the bowl. Then you will need 2 whole eggs. Remember, 2 whole eggs. So I'll be back with the eggs. Actually, I'm just gonna all you. Now open the fridge. Grab the eggs. Then come back. 2 eggs. So I have these large eggs, 12 large eggs here, but we don't need 12. I will only use 2. By the way, don't try to do it both at the same time. Okay, try to crack them. By the way, while you're doing this, it would be better to use 2 bowls. See, so I'm gonna come back with the one with the second bowl. But by the way, it's a tiny bowl this time, yeah. So you can put the eggs in it. So I didn't find a bowl, but I found this. It's like a measuring kind of mixing thing for a mixture. By the way, if you don't have a bowl, just use that. If you don't have neither, good luck. Yep. So just get it out like normally, I only do it here because it's like less mess. Because if you accidentally get a shell in there, you can get it out. Try not to get the shell in there. I'm just gonna break this open. You can see. Remember, throw it away. And then, when you're done with that, wash your hands because it's bad for you. You could get sick if you don't, and don't touch, go wash your hands after you touch eggs, like egg yolks. Remember that. Then add the eggs to your mix. Make sure there's no shells. Then add it. Then, 1 second. Yeah. Then get your mix, which is right here. Yep. It's actually just right here. So it may take a little while to open it. I'll be back when I got it open. Okay, so it should look like this. Then you may need some parent help while opening this, because it's a little tricky. So yeah, don't do this at home. Don't do that at home. Okay, so then you just open it. I'll be back when it's in the bowl. Yeah. Okay, so I'm putting it in the bowl now. Next step. Just put it in the bowl. Then grab a mixer. Fork, spoon, or, a mixer. Or a whisk, of course. So I will be back with one of those. Okay, so we're back, and I got my whisk. Now we are going to whisk it! Shut up, Dad! Sorry about that. Just got annoying people living in my house, okay. So now we're whisking it till it has the right consistency. So you're probably not going to be here for that whole long. And I'm just going to whisk it. Yeah! Come back when it's whisked. Okay, so it should be looking like that. It's like nice and chocolatey brownie. Yep. Okay, so get your pan, and then your oil, like spray or whatever you use. I use butter. I prefer butter, so I'm gonna use butter and put it around like the bottom, just a little bit everywhere. Don't put too much where it's actually kind of like the whole thing. Just no. So then, like, put it back in the fridge. Yeah. If you use like me. So then grab your mix from the side, or maybe right in front of you. Just put it in, right in to the whole thing. Now, when you're doing this, you might want a spatula. So I'll get back to the spatula. Now I'm back with the spatula. Just put it in like this. Put it in. I'll come back when it's all the way in, you know how it is. You know how we do. Yes, Queen, yes. Then when you got it all in here, then you put it in. Let's see if anybody knows. Put it in the comments if you do. Just put it in the comments. Did you? Put it in the microwave. No, you don't. Anybody know? No, put it in the fridge. No, you don't. Does anybody know? Okay, so you put it in the oven. Now you see, I'm just gonna open the oven. Remember, when you do this, I'm putting this to the side because because, well, I'm going to give you the next step. So, if you're like me and a kid, definitely have a parent doing this and get a oven mitt because you don't want to burn yourself. Put it in, just like this. Put it in. And just wait a few minutes till it's nice and thick. And while you're doing this, maybe clean up a bit, like I am going to. Put all my stuff in the fridge and, well, because I never did. Remember, you want to do that. So I'll be back after that, and I'll tell you another thing you could do. So this is another thing you could do, is when you're waiting, bring back the old trends. So like the YMCA, you want to stay at the YMCA. And do some new trends. I know it's terrible, don't judge me. Watch my videos. Buy a cat headband. Actually, this is not a cat headband. Yeah, this is totally... Okay, so these are great cat headbands, like glittery ones. There's all different kinds. All different kinds. So, yeah. I have these glittery ones. So, then... if you still have your stuff and you didn't put it away, give this to annoying people in your house. So in my case, my dad. Yep. So I'll be back after that. Okay, so the next thing that I say we do while you're waiting is, well, just wait for it. So I'll be back in a little. Bye. Well, bye for now. Hey guys, I forgot to tell you this, and okay, so every like few minutes, check it, and if it's like this, that's mean it's not done, because it still has butter. So if it has nothing, that means it's perfectly good. So you want that to happen. And if you have this problem, just lick it, yeah. So I will be back when it's done. Bye! Okay, so grab your almost Titan and test it because it's been like 10 minutes, so yeah. Well, it's for me. Probably for you, well, watching this, it's been like a second, so yeah. So my thing is ready, my brownies. By the way, if you forget what it's called, everyone does it, yeah. So I'm gonna take it out and I'll be back when it's hooked up, so yeah. I should hook it up, but no, I'm a starting YouTuber. It all started 2 years ago. Please subscribe, please. Okay, so when you got it like this, you want to wait for it to cool. So I'll be back when it's cold because there is a next step if you want to be classy, and I do. So. Go to the next step. You know, the girl with the cat ears is always classy. Oh, snap. So, if you have cat ears, you know you're classy. Yeah. Okay, so. Wait for it to cool off. Just wait for it to cool off. And then I'll be back when it's cool off. Yep. So when it's cold and you want to be classy like me, powdered sugar, and just put it on, like sprinkle it, like I'll show you. By the way, you may have to do this to move it. Even when the brownies are cold, just because like it's gonna burn you. So I'll be back after I try to get it over. Okay. Now, get a little classy. Sprinkle it on. Like this. Then, get like a spatula. Spread it around. And then, when it's all spread around, look, it's done, you can go and give it to people. Or just eat it yourself, yeah. I would eat it myself, but I'm gonna give it to some people. Well, I'm gonna eat some, duh. But, yeah! So it should look nice. It should kind of look like this. By the way, the first slice I ever cut is for you guys. It's for you guys. So, I love you, my kittens. And that was this episode of Cooking with the Cat. Bye, my kittens. Remember, stay quiet.